Hi, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use samepage.io. Samepage is an easy-to-use online collaborative platform which will allow all the WECAN members to share files, manage tasks and calendars, prepare reports, and improve networking in a very friendly environment. This platform will allow us to simplify the way we work, improve our teamwork, and make us more productive, both in our daily work and in our long-term projects. So, are you ready? Let's see how it works. First of all, you need to log in into the platform. You should have already received an invitation in your email to register. So now, type your email, then your password, and that's it, you're in. Once you have logged in, click on the WECAN workspace link. The WECAN workspace is the main working area of Samepage, and everything you need will be always accessible from here. So let's check out the different areas. On the left column, you can find the meeting report tool. This is used to share information about the meetings we usually attend among all the WECAN members, so they don't miss any information on what's going on in the community. Right below, you can find the files area. This basically works as an online hard drive where we can store and share all kinds of files, slides, reports, and any other useful information. It can also be used to work in collaborative documents. Now, the contact list. Here you will be able to access all the WECAN member contact details, as well as some other useful contacts in the community. The list is divided into 3 fields: name, organization, and contact email. In the right column, there is the updates and news section. Here you will find the latest general information, upgrades, and some other useful topics, so you won't miss anything. Below, there is the important dates section, in which you can find and inform members with all the details about meetings, congresses, and any other event. Finally, the Speakers Bureau. Here is the list of potential speakers in the community that can be contacted in order to act as a common spokesperson to talk about several topics of interest. Samepage allows you to synchronize all the files in the workspace with your computer. Although enabling this feature is not necessary, it will allow you to access all the files in your computer when you are offline. To enable the file synchronization, click on the file settings and then select Synchronize to my computer. You now need to download and install the Samepage app. Installing the Samepage app is quite easy. Run the file you have just downloaded and simply click on the next button, leaving all the options marked as default. Once the Samepage app is installed, it will display an icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, showing that all the files has been successfully updated. Click on the icon to access your local folder, and the files will now be available offline. Samepage provides a mobile application for iPad, iPhone, and Android smartphones and tablets. This app allows you to receive notifications about updates in the workspace, as well as to work in SamePage in the same way you do it with your computer. To install SamePage in your smartphone or tablet, go to the Apple Store or Google Play. Then, type SamePage in the search field and tap on Install. It is strongly recommended to use a wireless connection to avoid the use of mobile data. When SamePage is installed in your mobile device, you can open it by tapping on the icon in your desktop area. You can now log in into the application, entering your email address and your password. Once you enter into SamePage, you will be able to surf through the different workspace areas, as well as using the spreadsheets, submit reports, or access files.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
In order to inform WECAN members about the outcomes of meetings which might be of the interest of the community, you can use the Meeting Report tool. Click on Submit a Meeting Report now and a new window will open. All you need to do now is to fill in the form with all the meeting details: the meeting title, your name, the meeting venue, the date, who attended the meeting, the main objectives and topics discussed, the most important outcomes and learnings, the follow-up actions, and any other additional comment that you may have. Let me fill in the form with an example before we continue. Now that my report is finished, I'm ready to submit it. Remember that you can expand the text areas by dragging the bottom right corner with the mouse. Once we're done, we click on Submit. And here it is, the report in PDF format. Now we will learn how to share this report among the WECAN members and also how to upload any other document into the file section. We will now learn how to share our report in SamePage. For doing this, first you need to download the report in PDF, clicking on the download icon in the upper right corner of your browser. So here it is, our document. Now let's go back to SamePage. Move to the File section and click on the Meeting Reports folder. There are two ways to upload the file. You can click on the Upload Files link and browse to the files you want to upload. You can also simply drag and drop the file into SamePage and it will be shared automatically. Using the File section works the same ways you manage files in your computer. You can sort through the folders, create your new ones, and overwrite the files as you need it.
Audio Jungle.
Same page allows all the members to share a common list of important dates, events, and meetings. You can also include relevant information to each single event, like the agenda or the logistic details. You can also change the way you see the events using different views. Agenda, day, week, or month.
Audio Jungle.
If you want to have a global view of the upcoming events, you can click the calendar on the left bar of your screen.
Audio Jungle.
Moving your mouse over each event will show you a tooltip with all its details. So let's see how to create a new event. Scroll down the window and click on the Create Event link. In the new window, you can now enter all the relevant information about the meeting, like its name, when it's going to happen, where it will take place, and any other information that might be useful for the members.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
When you are ready, click on the Create button and the event will now be shown in the dates list.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Same page uses spreadsheets to share lists of information to its users. In WECAN, we will use these spreadsheets to share our contact list and also to keep track of the speaker's bureau. Let's see first how the contact list works. As you can see, it is divided into 3 columns: name, organization, and email address. If you want to add a new contact to the list, scroll down and click on the Edit Table link. If you click on the spreadsheet settings, you will find options for formatting the table and also to sort the data. If you want to add a new contact, right-click on the last row and select Insert Row below. Once you're done, click on the Save button.
Audio Jungle.
The speaker's bureau list works in a very similar way.
Audio Jungle.
Just click on Edit Table and add the name of the speaker, followed by the topic of interest.
Audio Jungle.
Don't forget to press save when you're finished. In order to keep track of all the updates made in the WECAN workspace, SamePage uses the comments feature to notify all the members about any relevant information. This way, you will be notified in your email or in your mobile application and you won't miss anything. As you may have noticed, every area in SamePage has an icon for comments. Before going into it, let's make sure that we have our comments enabled. Go to the upper right corner of your browser and click on the settings icon. Then select User Settings. Now, click on Change Notifications and Settings. Make sure that you have the following options enabled: Send desktops and mobile notifications for everything important, send email summaries when I am away, and send email for all newsfeed comments. Let's make an example by creating a new event. Fill in the fields as we explained before and click on Create when you are finished. Now, you can see a tooltip suggesting you tell to others about your update. Click on the comments icon and leave a message to the members. Every time you or someone else posts a comment, it will be added to the red bar so they can be replied at any moment. Now let's leave a comment in a document inside the Files section. Remember, you can also make comments at any time in any of the workspace items.